So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great. So we are back again with another video, and in today's video we'll be looking. Let me just show you CD onto desktop and then Opera, and we have new. Okay, so here we have Opera new, and what we have done till now is, like, as you can see, we have a live.txt and we have 122 subdomains. So from these subdomains, what we are going to do is we just did wayback URLs, uh, like cat alive and katana wayback URLs, Gao, and like these we have ran these tools, and after that we got like URLs. So we have URLs. Let me just check. Okay, so now we have 350 URLs. So what we are going to do from these URLs is, let's just check what URLs do we have. So these are all the URLs for Opera, and we have only used, I think, just a second, let me just show you. So we have, get on to the testing. Yeah, okay. So let's just do cat targets, and these are the targets, and we only did till opera.technology. So it means, like, we have only done like, I think 20% of the scope reconnaissance. So what we are going to do is just copy these and open our this Firefox. Let's close this burp, and we have this URL list. So we are going to paste our URLs on this extension, and we can open all of these URLs. Okay, so let me just try sign in, and it's web admin user applications provided by RC Devs Security SA, means South Africa, I think. User self disk. Okay, we have username and password. So let's try admin and admin. So let's try to do it. Okay, processing request. It just says, okay, please enter your password. Wait, I haven't added my password. Invalid username and password. So we can just go and view the source. Let's try this one too. So let's continue. Again, in this also we are going to continue. It's 403. More info. You don't have permission to access this resource. Okay, it's a good sign. Raise your request at it's support opera.com in case of any questions. Okay, or auth, and can we find anything here? Okay, these are SVG files. Okay, RC devs. This is the SVG file. This is RC devs. Okay, this is favicon fonts.css, self desk icon.php. Let's just try. mm, Opera. Okay, instead of this icon.php, let's try. Okay, this is the same thing. Maybe there are some. Okay, login.nginx, and okay, this is also svg jQuery UI. This is something interesting. We can just check these, but okay, no problem. Let's just go and check others. Okay, wait. Let's do it again. These are most of these are like JPGs and all. So these are of no use. Like it can be of very use, but yeah, right now we are not able to see anything. Let's jQuery 34 same page. These are CSS and sign in AWS. It's good. Sign all auth. We need permission. It's CDN game maker. Okay. Access denied. We can fuzz here. So yeah, no such key. Anything interesting? No. Same for these. Like unable to sign in. But when do we try that? Your session has expired and no longer valid. Refresh the page and try again. Okay. Let's refresh the page. It's 403. Okay. Forbidden. Same. Let's try sign in. Okay. OAuth. We don't need these. Let's go. Okay. It just redirects us to that page. Let's let's copy these and paste it again onto the URLs list. Let's paste it. Okay, CDN. Again, these will not work. It's 404 and it's 403. Okay. Noob.opera.com. Nginx. Enter your secrets. Encrypt message. Okay. Let's try something. Reveal secure message. Show QR code. Copy to clipboard. Good. We can try like for copy the clipboard. You may have seen those attacks in which if you copy something and then it when you paste it, it just it's something different. So we can try it. Like I don't know about it, but yeah, we can try it. 403 access denied. These are of no use. Favicon. Okay. Manifest.json. Apple. Okay. U-track. It's like okay. Disallow. Let me do it again and let's open it. These are I think icons. Okay, this is icon 403. Unable to connect 404. Page not found. Okay. this one, accept the risk, its version disclosure, these are the same ones. Let's do it again. Accept the risk, 404, 403. Okay. So let's just clear these and let's do nuclei and cat URLs and then nuclei, and let's try this current nuclei version. So let me just do nuclei dash ut for update templates and nuclei dash up, I think. So it will update nuclei. Yeah, so it's done. Let's do cat URLs and nuclei. Also, I have some other things. CD testing. Okay, let's go back, and here we have cat notes. So we need to try fuzzing. Important. What's this? Secret.opera.software. Keylock vulnerable. Okay, something different. So I already have tested them, but maybe I think for video I have not gone through them. But yeah, let's try it. Okay, so I hope that is it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and we'll meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.